Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the best fishing spots using the radar and Fish It Roblox. So first, I'm going to show you how you can buy the fishing radar. You can just go to the utility store in here, and once you go to the right, you'll find the fishing radar. You can buy it for 3,000 coins, and once you got the items in here, you can just enable it. So click on the items and click on the fishing radar. So once you have the fishing radar in here, click it again. Okay, so now you got the fishing radar in your hands. To enable it, you can just click it like this. Now the radar is enabled. So once you go to the sea like this, you'll see the spots where it's colored like this. So this is where you can find easily, or this is the best spot for fishing. You can go in here, or you can also find another spot like this. You can also do this in the Kohana Island, the ancient jungle, or the other spots, the other favorite fishing spots. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.